Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom unexpected error code 1132. This error typically prevents Zoom from launching properly, but reinstalling the application usually resolves it completely. Let's walk through the solution step by step. First, we need to access your system settings. On your desktop, click the Windows key button or Start button to open the main menu. This gives you access to all your system controls and applications. Once the menu appears, look for and click on Settings. This is your central hub for managing all Windows configurations and installed programs. The Settings window will open, presenting you with various options for customizing your system. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Apps, then select Installed Apps. This section displays a complete list of all the software currently installed on your computer, making it easy to manage or remove programs you no longer need or that are causing issues. Now, you'll need to locate Zoom in your list of installed applications. Scroll down through the list until you find Zoom. Once you've spotted it, click the three dotted lines beside it, which will reveal additional options. From this menu, click Uninstall. This initiates the removal process for the problematic Zoom installation. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to verify that you want to remove Zoom. Click Uninstall again to confirm your decision. The system will now completely remove Zoom from your computer. This step is crucial because it clears out any corrupted files that might be causing error code 1132. Give it a moment to finish uninstalling before moving forward. With Zoom successfully removed, we're ready to install a fresh copy. Open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us/download. This takes you directly to Zoom's official download page where you can get the latest version of the software. On the download page, look for the button that says Download 64-bit and click it. This will download the most current version of Zoom to your computer. Once the download completes, simply run the installer file and follow the on-screen prompts to install Zoom fresh on your system. This clean installation should eliminate error code 1132 entirely. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the Zoom error by performing a clean reinstall of the application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.